A new size has arrived, from the Louis Vuitton Cluny bag collection. So which size is this? Well, it's the mini size. This size is smaller than the BB size. And there is more. This bag is upgraded with a newest shoulder strap. So what is the difference between the BB and this mini size? Well, the BB size of the Cluny bag was the smallest and it was measured 9.8 x 7.5 x 3.9 inches. What is the size of the mini bag then? This bag is measured 7.9 x 6.3 x 3 inches. There is clearly a big difference, so do you prefer the BB or the mini size? The Cluny bag is a nice tote bag that can be worn crossbody or on the shoulder thanks to the fancy shoulder strap. You can choose another reversible jacquard strap if you like. The strap is also removable. The top features a nice curved handle for hand carry, and the logo is crafted on the bottom right. The interior features one main compartment and a zip pocket. So do you think this size is useful, and for what occasion? The bag measures 7.9 by 6.3 by 3 inches. Priced at $US $27.20, 3,400 Canadian dollars, $HKD 21300, $AUD 3,800, 17,900 Chinese yuans via Louis Vuitton boutiques.